What'd you drop? There's a lure down there? There's about 8 of them.
What's that?
There's about 8 of them.
8 of them?
What's up, guys? Made it down here to the Fox River, De Pere, Wisconsin, Voyager Park. A lot of people fishing today. It's a Monday. I didn't think it'd be as busy. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get out there, and I don't want to interfere with anybody. People fishing out here, boats out there, people lined up along the shore. So I'm going to have to kind of pick carefully where I go today, and hopefully find a couple of rods that are lost and a bunch of lures.
Say hi, man. It's Ed the Diver. You know who he is, right?
What's up, guys? I went and talked to all the fishermen up here on the pier. They said I could go underneath here and look for a fishing rod that somebody lost. There's actually 2 of them that I'm looking for. But I talked to the guy over here. He said I'm gonna find him. We'll come over here. He's not gonna cast near me, so we're all good. We got permission.
Holy crap, get out.
There you go. Got it. The current is pretty strong. I don't want this to tip over on me. It's getting all squirrely. That was broke. Catch anything? Nice. Well, that's nothing. If I was out there, I'd have that half full by now. The current's pretty strong with 3 dams open, and I don't want to get in anybody's way.
So were you just looking? You're not metal stick?
No, just you can see them. They're bright. I was looking for someone's rod, but all these are out. They're tied on the pilings.
Wow, that's fantastic.
But I'm gonna look around here. There's usually a lot in here. Someone had a bad day. Oh, he's tied up underneath there, huh?
Yeah, he's not tied up, but...
I just cut a bunch of line out of there, so the line shouldn't be in your way. Nice! Nice! That's a nice fish there. Yeah, probably like 26.
Yeah, about the same size as the last one I caught.
Oh. Oh, no kidding. Another one. Wonder how many times you guys walked over this thing. Needs hooks, but I found someone's phone right where you're standing last year and I got it back to him. Yeah, and it was an iPhone 11 Pro Max and he donated it to my channel. What'd you drop? There's a lure down there? Oh, you don't want to grab him? Okay, I'll grab him for you. There's about 8 of them. There's about 8 of them. 8 of them? Here, I'll show you. I see them. I can see them. They're so early. I'll let you pick a couple up after I get them all cleaned up here. I'll let you pick a couple out. You want me to finish getting them or do you want me to wait till later? I don't want to be in your way here. Oh. There's about 10 more on my knees on. Oh. Yeah, I'm getting them stuck in my knee right now. A 30-inch walleye just went in front of my face. It was huge. Oh, that scared me. Tell me when you tell me when you want me to move, okay? No, no. I got these 2 groups. There's one more group I'm gonna put here. About 10 more probably. That is unbelievable. Whew, that's hard. It's stuck in that felt and it's just hard to rip out without. Oh. They just don't stop. All right, I need a break. That wore me out right there. Come up there and fix them out and you're done, okay? Thank you.
I don't use them here for that reason.
All right, well, thank you. Get him! Ah! Yeah. Yeah, I gotta restock my sails up north. Start scuba diving, man. Been finding a lot of lures, but I'm gonna dive for a little bit more here. There's a couple more lures, and there's some felt sticking up. I'm trying to put rocks down on top of it. This felt just keeps lifting up. Everybody keeps opening it over and over again. And if I take a rock from somewhere else and set it on the felt, then that'll loosen that spot up. So it's kind of a bittersweet kind of thing. Or it's hard to do it without knocking more erosion netting up, but we're trying. Just got halfway done with my dive today. I'll show you what I found, but I want to show you two girls walking their cats today. You got Kenya on the right and Ruth on the left. What are your cats' names? Bean and Bukowski, cool. But so far, I got all these lures right here down by the fishing pier, and I also found this fishing net right here. But yeah, just check out all those lures right there. And I'm only halfway done, baby. Yeah. I just want to explain to you what I'm wearing when I'm in the river. When I get more of a current, I wear more weight. Right now I got these, I got 10 pounds of lead on this side, 10 over here. In my BC here, I've got 16 pounds of weight in my pockets and in the back. And you've got the weight in the tank also, but it's like 40 pounds. And then I've got these are a pound and a half each. They go on my ankles to kind of help keep my feet down in the current. But when I'm in the current, I'll face toward the current so my feet are behind me, because if I'm the other way, the current will flip my fins right up in the air or in the water, and it'll kind of push me, and I don't want that. That's kind of what I wear for gear. I wear this hood, I wear my mask that I'm holding right now with the Octa mask, and I wear my GoPro on that. But I'm about to head back out there right now and get some more. But this is what I got so far. I would like to double that, and I'm sure I will. So yeah, round two, back in action. Good fish. Yeah. Check this out. Yeah, there's a lot of money in there. Yeah, that was a good grab. I've been pulling a lot out of here the last couple of dives, getting all the snags out and stuff. And but it helps me too. You watch YouTube at all? Or TikTok? Yeah, just look up Ed the Diver. My name is Ed. My last dive was here, but I couldn't see anything because it's pure darkness. So I was down there feeling around with my eyes closed, and I had people on shore with the rope, pulling the rope back. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is funner. Yeah. Always. Yeah? Yeah. There's so many dead fish in here laying all over the bottom, like minnows. I picked, like, there's some bigger dead fish. I found another big dead fish. There's just hundreds of dead ones. So I gotta scrub when I get home. Yeah. I don't know what kind of disease I'm gonna have. Oh shoot. Oh man, I'm getting worn out. It really takes it out of you. You want a lure? Yeah. Dead fish everywhere here. A little rip and wrap. And a couple of jigs. Yeah, I'll grab it for you. Yeah. We're at about. Okay. Is this it?
Yeah, that's awesome. I'll grab the tire for you. There's a couple other blade baits in there too.
Nice. Are they good or what?
Looks like it. There's one right there on that bottom edge. You can see on the inside.
You just pull it up there and break it out. No, here's your lure there. Yeah, no problem with that. Yeah, you helped me clean up the river a little bit there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Walleyes in there?
No, just dead fish.
Okay.
Alright, we got this tire out of here. Look at that. Is it a V-rod? Nice. Nice gold V-rod. I love those.
Yeah.
Oh, at least nobody else gets snagged anymore. What's your name?
I'm Alex.
Alex? Alright. I'm glad I could get your lure for you.
Oh, appreciate it.
You mind being on my channel?
Oh, I love it.
Alright. Alright. You got a free lure today. Thanks for stopping by and saying hi. He watches the channel, he's getting a free lure. What's your name?
Josh.
Josh. Thanks, man.
You.